In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Samsung tablet as second monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect your Samsung tablet to your main monitor and set it up as an additional display. Windows and most Samsung tablets will be able to do this natively, so you don't have to download external or additional programs. There are options that you can use, such as Super Display, but for this video, you don't need to download anything. You will be able to do this natively as long as you are using Windows and a modern Samsung tablet. So swipe down from the top on your Samsung tablet and you will find plenty of options or features. What you have to do is look for second screen. As I've said before, this is a feature natively built into most modern Samsung tablet models. If you don't see it here, then just keep swiping to the left or right until you find the plus sign, which allows you to add new options, and then you can add second screen or second monitor. Tap on this and you will see the instructions here. Basically, you will be able to connect your tablet to your Windows PC and configure it as an additional display. You can control the positioning, control the resolution, and all of that. Just press Windows plus K and you will see this pop up at the bottom right corner of your Windows PC. The cast screen. If you don't have the option to use MeterCast, then sadly you have to look into alternative solutions, such as using a cable, but potentially that might not work natively. For this method, you just tap on your tablet once it appears on the list, make sure that you are in close proximity of your PC or laptop, and immediately upon doing this, they are going to remain connected. Now, if you go over to the Windows display settings, so you right-click the desktop, you choose display settings, you will be able to configure the positioning, so you can have the tablet be at the right side, the left side, below your main monitor, and configure it however you prefer. As long as you use the second screen feature, you can do this natively without downloading anything else. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung tablet as second monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.